On row 10 we have a new stitch combination. We have the solid stitches combined with diagonals, and let me show you that. So here we are going to do 3 DC to the back. First one is here. And we don't do the chain 1, we just do another double crochet under the chain here. And the last one without the chain in the stitch right here. And this one is going to be combined with a diagonal to the left, so don't pull through the last time. Now we make the diagonal to the left, and left next here is right here. Pull through twice, and then you have 3 loops on the hook, and pull through all 3, and remember the chain. So now this combination is the 3 double crochets in the back and the diagonal going left. There's another stitch combination I will just show you. First is diagonal to the right. This is the next stitch, and this is right to that stitch. So diagonal to the right, pull through twice, and then you're going to make your first DC in the next stitch, and it is a B here, double crochet, and we have 3 loops on the hook, and let's finish it. Now don't do your chain stitch, just do the next DC under the chain here, like that, and your last DC in the stitch, like this,